Hello everyone and welcome to the part 1 of regular expression. So here we will first start with the introduction to regular expression, what it means exactly, and then obviously we will go ahead with the examples. So first of all, the definition of regular expression. A regular expression is a sequence of characters that defines a search pattern in a theoretical computer science and a formal language. Okay, so the application areas for regular expressions are maybe in digital circuits, maybe translator like compilers, interpreters, etc. Maybe to develop the communication protocols like TCP/IP, UDP, etc. So, first of all, to use regular expression in your program, you have to write one statement, that is import, and you have to write module, which is RE, that is regular expression. Now before I start with the actual regular expression, let me tell you one thing, that suppose if I write print and if I write /t and if I write tab or some character or any message, and if I execute this, then okay, sorry, okay, I have to remove this. Okay, Control S and F. So you all can see it is /t, so it will give you some space, indentation, and then it is printing tab. But suppose I want to include this in my output. So here comes the new letter, that is R, which stands for raw string. So here you have to write R, and then in single or double quotation, whatever is your message that you can write, it will come as it is on your output screen. So let us check the output of this also. Control S, F5. See, that is only the difference. And why I said the difference of these two, because we are going to use raw string in our regular expression. Now before we start, I already have some data, so that using only that data we can implement many things. So for example, this is my data. Okay, it is obviously in the form of string, and because of multiple lines I have used triple single quotation like A to Z letters, capital A to Z, 1 2 3 4 5, maybe a gmail.com or a website, something like this, some names with the initials like Mr., Mrs., etc. And some meta characters needs to be escaped, okay, because it has some importance or meaning, and then some mobile number or phone number or something like that, and then I have closed my string. So basically, what will be your step number 1? Step number 1 will be pattern equal to, okay, pattern is nothing but a kind of variable, so pattern equal to RE, that is our module name, and we have to use compile, and here you have to write what exactly you want to search. Suppose you are interested in searching ABC, suppose, okay, so that you have to write inside of that. And now that ABC you have to search, but from where, in which variable? So we have data as one of the variable where we have specified so many things, and we are interested in searching ABC from this data, specified data. Okay, so in the next line, checking as one more variable. So checking equal to, our ABC is stored in pattern, and then find iterator is one of the function. Find iterator will accept parameter in which we have to write our variable name, where we have all the data or specified string, everything. Okay, so it will get stored in checking variable, and suppose ABC is multiple times, so we require for loop also. So for I in checking, print I, Control S. So let's check the output of this. Okay, data is not defined, it is not small d, it is capital D. So we'll quickly do the correction of that. It is not small d, capital D. Control S. See, we are getting match of ABC from 2, 5. This indicates index number. Okay, so it is showing it is 2, 5. So let's check over here. It is at 2, 5 only because you have a gap. Okay, suppose if I remove something like this, okay, control S, and if I write F5, it will show you 1 because it will accept the space, everything. And suppose you are interested in printing only the starting index number, then you can write I dot start function, control S, F5. So you can see it is showing you that it is starting with the index number 1. And we have one more function which is nothing but AND function, control S, and it will show you it is ending at which index number. Group also, so group will give you that exact the thing which you are matching. So start will give you starting index number, end will give you ending index number, and group will give you the exact index you are matching with. So suppose like if I write only dot, as I said, it is meta characters dot, first one, and needs to be escape. So if I write only dot and print I, no start, no end, no group, nothing, control S, F5. See, it will print everything of your data string starting from small ABC, everything. See, till end, something like this. And suppose if I write initially obviously raw string, and if I have a gmail.com and if I write suppose slash and dot, control S and F5. So now it will print only dots at particular location or index number. Okay, 73. Okay, so you can see that there are dots over here, then here also, here also, here also, here also, and likewise many places dots are there. So if you are interested in printing only dots, then first thing is you have to use raw string R, and then you have to use backward slash, and then you have to write dot. Because if you will write only dot and control S, it will give you everything. So obviously sometimes we may require to find only dots. So in that case you can use this. This is the way. Okay, so in my next video we will talk more about regular expression with some more example. Thank you everyone.